Yeah, too sexy for this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tati Ali. Currently, we are at my sister's home. Treva, you want to say hi to the vlog? Hi. She's a realtor, so she goes into homes and she like presents them. So I'm gonna help her out, just filming for her. And if you haven't checked out my last video, go check it out. I'm gonna put it right here. The link's gonna be in the bio. We had just came back from a trip from South Padre Island. A couple of days later, we came here to Florida. Treva, are you nervous? This is the home that I am helping her create content for. Okay, so this is the house that she is showing off today. We're about to get some photos of her right there. So we're here at a waterfront restaurant. The first time being here. Shariva got a skinny margarita. I got a stress reliever, but instead of vodka, they put tequila. That's what it comes with. This is the next day. Today, we are just having a very chill pool day. Made myself a chicken torta sandwich. We have some watermelon. We got a fruit tray, vegetable tray. We also have some rotisserie chicken and snacks, and maybe I think we're gonna cook out later. God, it's good. And I'll probably see you guys when I'm chilling poolside with a drink in my hand. I'm chilling poolside with a drink in my hand, drinking some cucumber water.
Why not him?
I think it has like a lot of benefits. I'll post the benefits right here. I've been out in the sun for a long time. You can see my little sun kiss.
You did
right
it!
Here and right here. I'm still here out in the pool, and pretty much is how the rest of today is probably gonna go. So it is the next day, and we are at New Adventures. White Owls packed in here. We have our beach essentials. We also have some food that we're gonna take.
They are taking us now to Cypress Springs, and we got these.
Taya has one too. Okay, so it is kind of way later in the day, and we are actually enjoying some Chinese buffet. We did want to go to an oyster, but the wait time was an hour and 30 minutes, and well, everybody in the car was getting hangry, so we came to the nearest buffet. It is the next day, and we are...
God bless America.
Amen. I'm here with my mom, my sister, and my niece, and we are about to get pedicures. We're here at Pier Park in Florida. We are here and we are ready.
Okay, we're not
have our toes done already. That looks so cute. It is the next day. That night after our petties, we did some running around. We went to Sally's Beauty Supply, and then we went to Five Below. It is now Sunday, and we just came back from church, and basically all of us just like chilling. My sister wanted to go to the beach today, but because it was raining today, we just thought it wasn't a good idea to go. Okay, so it is a little bit later today, and we came to bingo. Fun fact, I love playing bingo. So I'm gonna show you guys who's here with me and what we're playing and how we're playing. So this is mine, and then we're playing these, this one. I have a dauber right here. Finally here at the beach. Umbrellas.
My name, and then once I get back to the hotel, I'll do it.
Isn't she a beauty?
No, that one's right. Yeah, try that with a dog.
So we are at that Cajun place, and let me show you what we're having today. I'm having that grenade, and then some Rockefeller. And I'm here with Taya, Tariva, and then Cobra. Right here we have the Montecristo. It comes with the sauce, but I would describe the sauce as like a funny tasting sweet and sour. By itself, it's like really bomb. It's like a funnel cake topping for bread, and then it has ham and cheese inside, and I think like the sauce too. I'm not sure what that is, but it tastes good.
Where are we at right now, Tatiana?
We're at that Cajun place in Panama City Beach, Florida. Just taking a shower, and yeah, that's a fucking snake. That's a snake. That's a snake. That's a snake. Okay, so still here in Panama City Beach, and I came to a head spa. Hey.
Alright, so you're gonna undress from here and leave your bottoms on. Take
Okay.
your shoes off. If you don't feel comfortable taking, everything off, you don't have to, but if you do, it'd be easier for me to massage in this area.
Okay, so I am in my towel. About to lay down. I think I'm gonna go under both. Hold on. Why not? Her room is so cute. Shariva.
Yeah.
Your iPad?
It's hot.
The battery exploded. Dude, we're at the bowling alley. Right. I'm over here by the wall because I haven't skated in years. So if I catch myself falling on camera, y'all please don't laugh. We're here at the bowling alley. Okay, take two. Take two. Cut the camera.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to.
We are here at Waffle House. So we just put in an order. The sausage biscuits. I got sausage biscuits and gravy. and like the all-star favorite. I'm so excited. We are back with Canoe Adventures.
End up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
So we made it, but it was very, very hot.
Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money in the name. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we both so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one.
Okay, I think we're coming up next in another obstacle. Look, in life, like, God's gonna put obstacles in our pathway. It's not always gonna be smooth sailing, you know what I mean? And I feel like these little obstacles that he's placing in the way, that they're just a way for us to like go through like teamwork, build together, and maybe like it'll strengthen our relationship, you know what I mean? Like learning how to communicate through these things together, you know?
Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip to the moon. Get on, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint.
So we are here at a pool at a hotel because my sister knows some friends were in this cabana right here. I was seeing if they're here, but they're not here. I think they're back on the beach, so I think I'm gonna go back to the beach. Almost ate shit in the bathroom because, first of all, there's no toilet paper, right? What am I gonna wipe my ass with? Okay, so look around, right? I start looking around and I see that there's napkins to dry your hands. I walk over there to the hand towel dispenser, and I'm on my way back and I slip on the wet floor, but I land on the toilet. I went to the restroom. I don't ever want to leave. This is so unreal, guys. Because I really want you guys to grasp what I'm experiencing right now. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna shut up so you guys can enjoy. That's the big one. It feels really peaceful out here. Oh, you saw that? And look over here, you can see, oh wow, see the ocean. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're still here, and I'm about to put up my phone and go enjoy this pool. Hey guys, it is probably like 3:50 in the morning. I'm on my way back home. I'm in a hotel room by myself with Zeus. He's over there somewhere. And I have the Bible open up next to me because I woke up from a nightmare. I was in a hotel room being attacked by the enemy. Like in my dream, I thought it was somebody trying to come into the room, but you know, I knew it was something spiritual by the way it made me feel. The enemy was trying to attack me. I started singing the song. Jesus loves me. And it started mocking me. And as it started mocking me, it threw up like a Muppet almost. And I had woken up. And I was in this bed with Zeus. And everything was fine. I started listening to gospel music. And then I started scrolling on TikTok. And as I was scrolling on TikTok, there was this blonde girl in a podcast. And she was reciting Psalms 23. And I just love how, like, the reminders that God gives me, like, do not fear, for I am with you. On that note, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, I'm in the elevator. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. That's my room right there. Susie put it. I left them in the room.
Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10.
It's hard, like it's like hard. Fine. And have a sausage. La quinta. Overall breakfast was like 6.57 out of 10. That was a hard ass bagel. And then the biscuit was starch. I'm gonna try to catch some Z's because I only slept an hour. Literally from like 1:24 to 2:24. Low-key really want my apple juice. It's just that, like, look, I'm chubby, okay? The probability of me getting kidnapped and taken advantage of is like probably a very low probability. But you never know. Damn, Tatiana, learn how to just eat. I want apple juice, but I don't want to go get it. Because look at my setup. Let me see, I have to move all that, unlock that, and that. Oh, but like room tour. This was over here with this and looked nice. I'm thinking if I should just get that cup and go fill it up with apple juice. I low-key want to. You think they'll tell me shit? Probably not. And then the desk area, and then the bathroom, mini fridge, microwave, mirror, closet, and then restroom over here. Come on, sis. I gotta be up like 9:30 because I have to drive an hour to the port of Louisiana to go get Eddie. So let me try to go to sleep. Because is it really a road trip without coming to Buc-ee's? No. Eduardo's plane landed a lot earlier, so I had to hurry up. And I'm only on 3 hours of sleep. Pickles, onions. I love it. Shot. I'm just kidding.
Due to the fatalities, safety and foremost.
Try some of these. I'm gonna try some of these. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get these. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
What if I told you life is a beautiful moment? Filled with all kinds of beautiful moments. There's a beautiful moment in everything. Cause life is a big, beautiful moment.